Hello, my name is Amos Tarfa, and I'm a medical physicist, and I also write and review math curriculum. And I wanted to just talk briefly in this video about a section from my book, Tools for Mastering Mathematics. So in this series and this playlist I'm putting together, I'm going to go over this book in terms of how to teach math in a way that people can master it, and then that hopefully people can enjoy it also. That's key. I want people to enjoy doing mathematics, not just doing the homework and then saying, I'm done, I don't want to see it again, but doing the math, enjoying the process, and knowing that there's a destination they're going to. So what I've done is I've put together a series of math classes into one: pre-algebra, algebra 1, algebra 2, pre-calculus, and geometry. I combined them into one course, and I avoided duplication because I just want the students to be able to master the material and follow a certain pattern. So basically in this video, I'm just going to show you in our current American education system, we take students through addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division in elementary school. But when we get to fourth grade, so fourth grade, fifth grade, sixth grade, and seventh grade, so that's 4 years and sometimes maybe 3 years, some students learn fractions, decimals, percents, ratios, and proportions, but they learn it over and over again. Some of them do. And so what I realize is, what if we just help them master fractions the first time, master decimals the first time, master percents the first time, so they don't have to duplicate it, so they can get to algebra in an efficient manner. Once they get to algebra, they can then do it, master it, and then go to algebra 2, go to geometry, go to pre-calculus, and then they're done with that sequence and they're ready for calculus. Because calculus is beautiful. We need to work to get these kids to calculus and then show them the applications of mathematics out of calculus into other fields, business, medicine, engineering. So maybe they can start exploring their careers at a younger age and thinking about those things because they have the skills. Imagine if kids were doing calculus in 10th grade or 9th grade. Just imagine that. That is possible. So whatever works for your family, however, I don't want you to feel like you have to finish all the coursework in 1 year. But there are some students who are already in 10th grade who need to finish everything I've put together in 1 year. However, it could take some people up to 5 years. And that's okay. I will tell you one thing though. I highly discourage taking summer off from doing math. 3 months off from math or anything that involves computational skills can be a problem, because then you have to review again. And that's how our textbooks are written. A lot of them review for a while. So an overview before I wrap up this video. In our math courses, we generally focus elementary school math is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. That's what these books represent right here. And again, I will put a link to that. If you want that, let me know. This set, there's a company that sells it out of North Carolina. And then the students can work on pre-algebra, right? So when they master those concepts, that is essentially part of what pre-algebra is helping them master their arithmetic and then focusing on their fractions, decimals, percents, ratios, proportions, and there's some graphing, there's some equations. But when they get into algebra 1, they focus on equations and graphing and inequalities and systems of equations and so on. But then they get into algebra 2 and they do more of that. So anyways, if you want the technical side of all of this, I have an email that I can send to you right now if you want. And the point is, I want you to encourage your encourage your young people, I would say, whether it's your child, your grandchild, encourage them to not settle for less in mathematics. Math is so important to doing everything else. So what I'm doing with this curriculum is I'm giving children a chance to master all the concepts. So depending on where your child is right now, I would say if they are beyond 4th grade, they should really consider taking this course that I've made called Counting to Calculus. They'll get access to videos for every single topic they learn in school. So basically, they can use this summer to finish all the math they need to do to be in Algebra 1. So they can go into 5th grade and be in Algebra 1, and that is just fine. Or they can be in 6th grade in Algebra 1, but they don't have to wait till that grade anymore. I remember as a child, I used to be so excited to see the new textbooks for the new year. Imagine now if I had access to all the textbooks for all the math classes I had to take. I mean, that would be so exciting because you can make progress and do amazing things with math. So anyways, that's what I wanted to share about in this video, is the sequence of American curriculum and how we can help kids master math more efficiently by reducing duplication, increasing mastery, and helping them to see how math connects to all areas of life. So in my course, there will be math history, math applications. But if you have any questions, let me know. But this course is available now. You could take it. And once you buy the course, you can have access to it literally for the rest of your math career if you buy the whole course, or you can choose to buy one specific course. Let me know what works best for your family. You can email me in my email below. Thank you for watching this video. I will release more videos in the series that goes over strategies for being very good at math, and also strategies for parents to use in helping their students master mathematics. Have a blessed day, and thanks for watching.